Okay, so here's everything that you need to know to work on your assignments and learn the material while you're out. Make sure that once you access your economics page from Canvas, we're working in Standard 1. So when you click on Standard 1, you're going to have two options. Standard 1 lesson material, that's what I give you. That's the lessons and any material that I provide you so that you can learn the material. Standard 1 evidence is where you go to complete the assignments that are part of your grade. That's what you give me as evidence that you're working toward the standard, and that's what your grade is based on. So if we go to Standard 1 lesson material, it's all linked in here by date, so you can look at the dates that you missed. You can access the lesson by your period, any other practice or things. Again, this is what I'm giving you to help you be successful. You should be looking at this daily, and you should be emailing me if you have questions or you have difficulty accessing something. You should make sure to email me and communicate that. Don't wait. Make sure that you're staying on top of your work. And then where do you go to provide the evidence that I require for this class? You would click on Standard 1 Evidence. That takes you to your modules page. So you can see I have a student here. It's my sample student, test student. And green check marks means that you have completed that assignment at the minimum required level. And so you want to come here daily or several times a day, depending on if you're behind or not. And you want to be working on assignments to get them to the point of a green check mark. PLEs you'll have to do in class, so you won't be able to take those until you're back, which is fine. You want to focus on anything that says BLE. BLE is beginning level evidence. That's evidence that's required just to pass, to get that 60% D minus passing level evidence. There's also practice of different concepts or skills in here. So you should be accessing this daily and making sure you're staying up on the work, and email me if you have questions. Thanks.